There has been a Bluetick infestation on Kano's farm. Almost all the cattle and goats have blue ticks on their bodies. While Kano was thinking of how to deal with this problem, he noticed that his cattle were looking emaciated. His sons told him that the cattle had not been eating as well. As if that wasn't bad enough, they told him the worst of it all. The urine of the cattle had a pale reddish color as though it had been mixed with blood. Adamu went to university and had done agricultural science in secondary school. He recalled that his teacher once mentioned a disease called red water disease. He swear that his animals had come down with red water disease. However, he could not pinpoint how. If you have been following our lessons on protozoan diseases, then you remember that in our lesson on trypanosomiasis, we made mention of organisms called vectors, where we listed tsetse fly as one of them. We also mentioned that vectors act as delivery agents that transmit parasite from infected animals to non-infected animals. Another vector you should be aware of is the blue tick. Ticks already pose a problem on their own, but they pose an even bigger problem because they could transmit an organism called Babesia spp. This organism causes disease called red water disease. So you see how Adamu's cattle came down with red water disease. They were infected by blue ticks. This disease is called red water disease because of the urine of the infected animals is reddish. The disease could affect cattle, sheep, pigs, and goats. It causes a rise in the temperature of the animals, loss of appetite, diarrhea, the pale red color of urine, emaciation, and death. You can treat red water disease with the injection of drugs such as trypan blue, babesan, or phenamidine. You can also kill the vectors with insecticide. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next lesson.